Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron rust remover. Start by placing a cloth under the stained area and applying a rust neutralizer according to label instructions. Cover the stain with a damp cloth, set the iron to a medium heat, and press firmly for short bursts to transfer the stain into the cloth. Repeat testing and pressing until stain lifts, then wash as directed and air dry. Begin by prepping your workspace with ventilation and protective gear. Lay the fabric flat and position an absorbent cloth beneath the rust spot to catch transferred residue. Apply a small amount of rust remover following instructions and blot gently to loosen particles. Dampen a clean cotton cloth and place it over the spot, then press with an iron set to the recommended heat. Check frequently and reapply product as needed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. On another note, quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you tackle projects and saves spills with its secure lid. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for workshops or laundry rooms. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When ironing, use short, controlled presses to transfer rust into the absorbent cloth without overheating the fabric. Move the cloth to a clean area when it darkens and reapply rust remover sparingly if the stain persists. Keep the iron moving between presses to prevent scorch marks and check progress often. Once the stain has lifted, wash the items separately on the gentlest suitable cycle and air dry to confirm complete removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.